Hi guys, so today I am showing you guys this makeup look right here. This is a full face with everything under $5. So each product will be under $5 and most of the brushes are also under $5. So I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Please subscribe before you leave and let's just get started. So I'm going to start off this video a little bit different. I'm going to actually start with my eyebrows because I got the first, because this is a little bit dark for me. But yeah, I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Lock On Liner and Brow Cream. And I'm going to use my e.l.f. Eyebrow Duo Brush. This brow cream is $4, but this is weird for me because I never do my brows first. I feel like a real beauty guru now because a lot of them do their brows first, and I'm always like, how do you do that? How do you not mess up on your brows really bad? But actually I kind of like it. I'm going to use, this is the concealer I'm going to use later on my face too, the LA Colors Ultimate Cover Concealer. Use this e.l.f. concealer brush. I'm using very affordable brushes as well in this video. Most of them are under $5. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to carve out my brows with this. I never do this, but I think it's needed for this. I'm gonna use my e.l.f. Wow Brow now, and this is of course under $5. I got too light of a shade. This is the one in taupe, and it's pretty light, but it is gonna help lighten the brows because I've got too dark of a brow cream, so this is gonna help lighten them for me. To use my e.l.f. Putty Eye Primer. This is exactly $5, so it just passes, and the same e.l.f. concealer brush I use to carve out my brows, and I'm gonna prime my eyelids with this. I love this product so much. I never put it down. It's my favorite. And I'm gonna set around my brows and my brow bone with my Rimmel Stay Matte pressed powder and this Real Techniques medium shadow brush from the same set. I actually did this on camera and I had to wipe it all off, which is why I have one eye done and one eye not done. I had to wipe this off and this eye off and start again because my camera decided to cut out on me and stop recording. Now I'm going to use one of these e.l.f. bite-sized eyeshadow palettes. This one is in the shade Cream and Sugar. I'm going to use this Wet n Wild Dollar eyeshadow brush. I'm going to take this light color right here and I'm going to pack that down in my crease and kind of blend it in. And then I'm going to take this Real Techniques Essential Crease Brush, and this is also in that same set, and I'm going to use this dark brown right here, and I'm going to take just a little bit and then tap off the excess, and I'm going to concentrate that more on the outer corner and then softly blend that up into the crease. I'm going to take a lot of that product and I'm going to pack it out on this outer corner because I want lots of pigment and darkness right here. And then just very softly blend that into the crease. So then I'm going to go in with this like nude shimmery color right here. It's really pretty. And I'm going to use one of these, I'm going to use this Wet n Wild eyeshadow brush. And take a lot of that product. And then I'm going to spray my brush with my Wet n Wild Rose setting spray. And I'm going to use this for a primer later. I'm going to apply that on the inner half of my lid. I'm also going to apply some of that in the inner corner of my eye and on my brow bone. Then I'm going to take this gold color right here, right next to it, and another Wet n Wild eyeshadow brush, and I'm going to take some of that and apply that in between the light color and the dark color on the outer corner. Just kind of blend those two together. So now I'm going to use, like I said, the Wet n Wild Rose setting spray, and this is exactly $5 at Target. I'm going to use this as my primer today. It works very well as a primer. It gives a very nice sticky base. And I'm going to use this LA Colors Truly Matte Long Wearing High Pigment Foundation to dot this foundation on my face. Okay, I'm going to use this e.l.f. Total Face Sponge, and this is exactly $5. I'm going to use this LA Colors Ultimate Cover Concealer. This is the same one I used to clean up my brows. And this is also under $5, obviously. And I'm going to conceal my blemishes with this. Now I'm going to use my Rimmel Stay Matte powder. This is way, way, way too dark. Oh goodness. I hope that it doesn't look so bad in the end, but this is pretty bad. I'm going to take this big e.l.f. powder brush, take a lot of that product and pack that on my cheeks and like my jawline area here. I'm going to bronze up my face. I'm going to use this big giant Essence Sun Club matte bronzing powder, and this one is the lighter one, the lightest one. I take my big powder brush again, and I'm going to use some of this on it. Tap it off so I don't get too much. And put it just right where I would contour. I'm going to use this e.l.f. blush. These are like their super cheap old blushes. This one is in the color Pink Passion. And I'm going to use this Real Techniques brush. It's like a bright bubblegum pink. And I'm going to tap that off and apply that on my cheeks. I'm going to retract it down to this so that way I can do my highlighter with it. So for a highlighter, I'm going to use this Wet n Wild highlighting powder in Blossom Glow. I want to use the gold one, but I don't have that one. So I'm just going to use this and this retractable blush brush, and I'm just going to apply that to where I would highlight. Okay, so now I'm going to finish up this eye. I'm going to be using this Essence Long Lasting Eye Pencil in Hot Chocolate. It's just a dark brown, and I'm going to put this in my waterline. Then I'm going to take this nude color again that I used on my lid, and I'm going to apply that on my under eye in the inner corner right here, and then in the inner corner of my eye. I'm going to wipe off that same brush, and this is, actually I didn't even tell you guys what this brush is. This is the e.l.f. Smudge Brush. And then I'm going to take this dark brown and a little bit of this light brown, and I'm going to apply that on my lower lash line. So then I'm going to curl my lashes with my e.l.f. eyelash curler. I'm going to take my Essence Lash Princess mascara, and this is, I think, exactly $5 too. I'm going to apply this on my lashes. And for lashes, I'm going to use these Ardell natural lashes in 174. And I'm going to use my Kiss Strip Lash adhesive. Apply the glue and put them on my eyes. So I put my eyelashes on, and now I'm going to do my lips. For the last thing, I'm going to use this Essence Soft Contouring Lip Liner in Lost in Love. And once I've done that, I'm going to use this e.l.f. Seriously Satin Lipstick, and this one is in the shade Cream. And I'm going to apply this on top. So this is the completed full face under $5 makeup tutorial. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.